So here we are at Britton Guitars. We're going to unbox this package I got from Luthier's Mercantile Incorporated in California. It's a guitar I'm fixing to start building. So let's open it up here. As usual, we got all these popcorns in here. There's some of the curtain. I believe this is cedar, and then a back strip, reinforcement strip for the back. I always put these little extra pieces of wood in there. This looks like a piece of pine. I hardly ever throw anything away, so. Let's see what we got in here. This is a grade 4A Sitka spruce. You can tell that it's pretty aged wood based on the color of it. And it's got some real nice patterns going on in it. Thing is, it's got a lot more, I don't know what you would call that, but they don't really look identical, even though it's book matched. Looks like this side here is a little bit more uniform than the side that they've actually indicated. You know, so I'm not too sure about this. Could just be that it's kind of rough, needs to be sanded a little bit. I might, take some 220 and just sand it a little bit and see if that's an imperfection in the wood or it's just rough. So we got the Sitka spruce, grade 4A. And then we got this walnut back. This is, it's not really walnut, it's the tease lamb. And people say it's, similar to walnut. It's been called walnut, but it's really not. Here again, this wood has got a lot of curl in it and like tiger stripes, And then the wood for the sides. Here we got a fretboard, ebony. We've got some of the gold Evo fret wire, the thick stuff, the big one. Some Adirondack spruce bracing wood. Some Grover tuners. a bridge blank, one of the smaller bridge blanks. It's got a little bit of brown in it, you know, I mean, it's not too bad. A ebony head plate veneer. And let's see what we got in here. I can't remember what I ordered. Oh, some bridge pins. The Persian eye bridge pin. That's about all we need for this guitar. I've got everything else, you know. I've got things, you know, from previous orders. So that's what we got. Strange to think that just a few things here. I'm going to build a guitar. Now I've already got the neck. Because I had bought a, you know, like a solid piece of mahogany, 30 by, I think it was 3 by 4 by 30, and I got 2 necks out of it. I put a maple spline in it, so it's a laminated type, you know. So I've got the neck already, ready to be, you know, manipulated. You know, I bought this back strip, and I'm contemplating on whether or not I'm going to use it or not, or I'm going to use a different type of wood. What I'd like to do is do an engraving on the back, on this back brace, the center brace, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. So we got the grade 4A Sitka spruce top, the teased lamb back and sides. This is a wood, I think, that's from South America, and it's like a, you know, considered a walnut type wood, but when I looked it up on the internet, it's not really a replacement for walnut or anything. It's a completely different species of wood, but people call it walnut. But it's got a very unique feature to it. When you, I mean, it's really good book matched. So I'm real happy with this wood. You know, it's I really like the way it works. We got the fretboard, a little brace wood, a bridge blank, and a head plate, and a neck, and the tuners, and the fret wire. Now, what else do we need? The rosette. Well, you know, I'm thinking about on the rosette, I'm thinking about doing, I made this out of yellow heart and purple heart. It's just a series of wood that was, you know, glued together and then cut in strips, and then I take it and cut it little bitty 1/4-inch pieces and create a rosette with it. So I'm going to actually create some kind of rosette. And I'm also going to create a some kind of marquetry type stripe for the outside on the back. So there we go. if I seem to hesitate, I can't wait to be falling. Every step that I take, in words unspoken, take me there, take me there. When the night is in your arms, your magic charms are calling. When you whisper I love you, what can I do? I'm falling. Take me where the flowers bloom, in your lunar garden. Take me there, take me there.